Today we're going to find period and amplitude of trig functions. So let's do the cosine and sine first. So if we have y equals a cosine of b theta, the amplitude and the period. Amplitude for cosine is going to be a, so the number in front of the cosine, and the period is going to be 360 over b, or 2 pi over b if it's in radians. For sine, it's going to be the same. Amplitude is a, period is 360 over b, or 2 pi over b. Cosecant and secant. There is no amplitude. And the period is also going to be 360 over b, or 2 pi over b for both of those. Now we have cotangent and tangent. There's still no amplitude, but the period is going to be 180 over b, or pi over b. Now the reason there's no amplitude on these four trig functions is when you think about it, they go on forever. These go all the way up, these u's, remember the u ones? And the ones that are like the tangent, their s's like this, they keep going up and down. So they don't have a place where they end and they come back in the other direction, okay? But remember that the period is different for cotangent and tangent.